Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Marquisha DeYoung, and I am back with a new video. In this video, your girl is making some pink lip gloss. Yes, Valentine's Day is coming up, so why not make pink lip gloss? But y'all, before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notifications bell so y'all can know when the next time your girl is posting. Yeah, I'm not going to talk during this video, but I do want to say one thing. I thought I was going to have to throw everything away and start over. Why? Because I put too much oil in this base. I am going to start measuring. I need to give me a scale so I can start measuring. It's best to measure anyway so you can know how much you're using for when you make, make it again. Or, well, me, I don't know if I'm going to be making the same lip gloss over and over once I make it and sell it. Depending on how it do. But yeah, it's best to measure out everything. Measure out the oil, measure the base, measure out everything. Measure how much pigment you're using, or just measure everything. Because girl, I had to add more base into this, and baby, I fixed it. But I don't want to have to go through that again. But yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna talk. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so y'all can know when I'm posting, y'all. But yeah, y'all just go and enjoy me watching me make this lip gloss. Once again, y'all, please measure out everything that you all are doing. As y'all can see, I did add more pigment to this because I wanted to be more pigmented. I wanted to show more on your lips. So yeah, that's why I added more pigment. And yeah, y'all. Again, thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so I can know when the next time I'm posting. Yeah, just go ahead and finish enjoying the video. I know I said I wasn't going to talk during this video, but as y'all see in the first clip, I poured the lip gloss base into the syringe. And here's another way I'm showing you can do it. You can actually just suck it up depending on how, depending on the consistency of your base. That's what I'm going to say. You could do it this way. But this is the easier way. It is less mess because pouring it in the syringe, baby, when I first started doing it, I used to get base everywhere. So, this is just another way, of filling your tubes up. And I did finish doing it this way by sucking the base in the syringe until I filled up all my tubes. And, it worked just fine. But, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all finish enjoying the video.